Hey, I'm Joy. I'm a producer, singer, songwriter and artist. I'm here at the Liveschool studios and I'm really excited to announce that I'll be joining the team here and teaching. I have kind of traversed all different types of genres recently. I think I started more ambient, chill stuff and then I made a bit of a pivot into rap, producing for other people, which I love. And then, pop or whatever pop is now. And now it's just kind of all different genres, which I'm finding really exciting. Universally, what I always try and capture is a feeling. I think that something that's true to my sound is it's quite emotive, whether that is in pop or ambient or rap so yeah, I try and capture like a bit of soul essence. I'm really into using vocals in my production in all genres anyway. Using your voice as an instrument is something that is really important to me. And I've been pivoting a little bit in my career. I started probably about 10 years ago and now I'm really focused on kind of developing the next up and coming artists and working alongside them, and I'm really excited to be joining Liveschool now.